there's so many wins to doing this, as we talked about it before, about providing opportunity and everything else. But one thing that I never expected from a foster child was gratitude. And I know that a lot of relationships, aren't they, based on give and take, and you've got to have that consistency and that acceptance to just not expect those things immediately, certainly for these children. But yeah, I mean, it's just so much heart. It's heart-rendering when your child says, "Oh God, thank you, I'm really grateful." It's just like, whoa, that's just amazing, because it could take years to get to there, but or it could take minutes. It just depends on the child and the situation. But yeah, I never thought that you'd have that, and it does make you feel you are impacting, and the little things that they do and say.
Definitely.
Give it you back.
I've had lots of experiences with my lot where they've really thought they can't do something, and they've been adamant they can't do it, and then with your encouragement and your skill and the acceptance of the way that they are and the way that they do things, and they actually manage to achieve it, that's a big win, when they've actually done that achievement.
Definitely. For me, I've had 2 children that have transitioned from school into college, and the 3rd one just about to do that, and for me, they never thought they could go to college. So 2 children that have gone from school, into a dream, sort of college, course. They never thought they could do it. So to actually see that, it's been fantastic. And I'm about to do my 3rd child now,
and
I'm
that one's
excited.
quite likely to be going on to university as well, isn't she?
Yeah. So
that's lovely to see.
Yeah.
And going back earlier about these children visiting, even now, and we're talking like 10 years down the line, and I'll get, "Oh, can you come to my wedding?" So, I'm having a baby. These were teenagers, fostered years ago. And that's wins to see that they're happy in their lives. And
you made that impact.
They've come back and they've wanted to tell you and share their stories.